Hello, so this is how you can disassemble the air filter system from the 2008 Tata Indigo GLS. It's pretty easy. The first thing is to remove the hose pipe by unscrewing this screw here using a flat screwdriver. So you can see that this one is flat, so you use a flat screwdriver. You loosen this and you pull off this hose which comes from the air filter to the throttle body. And next is removing this harness which comes from there's a sensor here, this harness. You just press it here, you press it here, and you pull it off. And next is removing the 5 screws using a star screwdriver like this one. The 5 of them, one here, second, the third, the fourth over here, and the 5th is hiding there. You can easily overlook this one and try to pull this off while you haven't removed this screwdriver. So please do remember this one. And there is no need of removing this hose which goes to the top part of this air filter. Next will be to just pull off this top cover of the air filter. And next there are 3 bolts. We have 2 12mm bolts, one here, and the second one is hiding just below this harness. And these are 12mm, and we have one which is 13mm bolt. I wonder whether this is an original one, why this should be different size as compared to other bolts, but it's a different one. And then next will be to loosen the air intake hose here, again using a flat screwdriver. Just loosen this bolt here and try to wriggle a bit this hose pipe so that to remove any seizure between it and the bottom part of the air filter. And then you just lift the bottom part of the air filter while wriggling it a bit so that to make this to detach this input hose pipe.